Hey everyone, so this is week one participation. So for week one, usually in class we would have this as sort of an icebreaker. So we're going to use this tool to kind of gauge who we are in this class. We do have a large class, but I think it's important for us to get to know one another while we can. And in some cases with assignments moving forward, you might have 20 or so or a little bit more in your groups, but for right now, let's get to know one another. So this is your life map. And so I want you to fill out the map, so to speak. Talk about your birth, your family, school education, an opportunity for growth, an opportunity to stop and think, and then where does your road lead? And I want you to think about how you interpret this map. And so I'm not going to start out with my life map. I will follow up with you all next week and after I meet all of you and show you my life map and tell you a little bit about myself. But in order to interpret the way that you do, because we are all diverse and we interpret things differently, and in order to understand one another. So again, that's what makes us diverse, and you can interpret this any way you would like and answer the prompts. So after talking about your life map, I want you to tell us all, and when I mean us, I mean the class, 3 things that come to mind when you see this painting. And you could just say 3 brief things or maybe sentences or how it makes you feel or what you interpret this as. And I want you to kind of elaborate on those 3 things if you can. All right, so that's the second part of this. And then the third fun fact, fun part of this introduction and week one participation is superhero. So superheroes, I watched a lot of Marvel movies this summer. I don't know if any of you are Marvel fans or other fans, but if you could be one superhero, what would you be, or who would you be rather, and then why? So just kind of, talk briefly about it as your third part to your introduction. And hopefully we have some great superheroes amongst us, and I know that we certainly should, since you're in the SPAD program. But those are the 3 prompts that you will respond to in this discussion board.